What's up, guys? This is I'm Weeping Out with a friend of mine doing a pack opening of these 10s, and let's get started and see what we get, or what he gets.
Well, first is the promos.
She is talking about
This is a big one.
Only one that's actually good there.
Your mom was like, hey,
Just a rare.
Just around.
like his mom. What a champ! What a champ!
I can do it too. We gotta set my game to I played this.
Yes, I'm at my local too.
Just another rare.
The JJ.
That's a bummer.
I feel like going hopper though. Let's see the track.
Extra extreme victory.
Like that's what I was thinking like the whole time. Like,
I think I'm gonna change something.
this is my
Reborn Tengu.
Wow.
That's a good one.
Yeah, but it's not a tour guide.
Yeah.
I'm actually.
I want that.
What?
Parker.
Oh.
Change another ice type later in the game. Another rare auto.
yeah, he has two correct, and then that's why
That's backwards.
Lucario is like the best guy in the game because he's like, oh, you an ice type.
And we get a rare.
Imagine my sadness when I first got that guy in Haxorus. The first one at the party.
We have
Oh,
4 of these and then 2 extreme victories left. Come on, tour guide.
my little Lucario.
Against a lot of decks.
No.
Wow, this is bad.
Yeah, and now it's really crazy train to the max.
I wonder why these 10s were cheap.
They were pretty cheap.
It can change his base stats, like
Only one hollow. It's a good hollow though.
Fallen Warning? Oh, wait, no.
Teaching Wolf. Another Reborn Tengu. It's a playset.
It
Because it's
is.
semi-limited.
Yeah.
How much are those going for right now?
I think 6 to 5.
150,000. But I'll settle out of court for $50.
It's 150,000 for 100,000 of them. If I found a guy to buy 150,000 Reborn Tengus, Shinai,
And we get
ooh,
a.
Kageki. It's a good rare.
Yeah.
I already have 3 hollows though.
Do you want to put that aside?
You should give me that other one.
You can, if you want to trade for that one.
No, the other one.
The other one. The other what? Shinai. Take it. I got plenty of them.
you buy those.
Birthday.
Now, these should have the maxis in it.
Yep, I hope I get one.
He's so
Beautiful.
ranted about the purloin.
Nothing again. Not too
He
good
rants
today.
about the purloin the entire game.
Catch your little sister another purloin.
No, he's got a rant about the purloin in the entire game.
Pulled 2 Reborn Tengus.
I shuffle with one pass.
Come on, Flapshot.
No, it's pretty cool. I always like Reborn Tengus, even though I've already got like 4.
The thing was, it's a skill drain played into you.
Just a rare.
Oh, secret! The Golden Apple. It's not a Maxi.
No, but they call it. Oh, was decent at one time.
Is it worth anything now?
I don't know.
Hopefully I made my money back from that. Well, I didn't spend any money, so I probably made my money back.
Toilet paper.
To wipe your butt with. Secret is the tour guide.
Ooh, Anishi is actually looking for one of these. Got another Kageki.
Freaking brutal.
Pretty good pulls. What?
So thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and if you want me to make more of these videos in the future. Peace out.